Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a code into your tasks and projects on DeskTime. So let us guide you through this. So guys, inside your DeskTime account, navigate to projects and then switch to tasks here and pick the task you'd like to add a code to. So it depends on which coding language you're using. You will need to click into edit task here, and here in the description box, select this option, right? And now you will need to choose your language for the coding. So let me go with Java, and then I'm not a coding expert, but let me go with something like this. So you enter the command here, right? Something like that. I don't know. Yeah, just follow your coding language, right? And then guys, click into save on the bottom right, and that is going to insert the code block here. So yeah, that it may be accessed by your coworkers. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.